What up guys, Chris Moo, and I'm just popping in to show you guys how I was able to make the Y&S Lexan rear EG hatch window work as close to OEM as possible. Now obviously starting with Y&S's perfect product, I mean I did not have to touch this whatsoever, came out of the box, painted up the border, mounted it up, and drilled everything out. I did not have to trim anything. So with that being said, we have the OEM latch actually holding in the center of the window. So that's not going anywhere. That doesn't really have much flex to it. On both corners, we have a quick latch mini 1.25. Now the 1.25 I believe is pertaining to inch. So you can find those everywhere online. These are the quick latch. These aren't the eBay ones. I don't know how I trust those. Anyways, quick latch here, quick latch on this corner here, undo that, and then my favorite part about the whole thing, OEM key, OEM lock, open. Now let me set you guys down real quick and prop this open, and I'll kind of show you guys the in and out. So keeping in mind that this is plastic, I mean, I wouldn't beat the hell out of it. It's still flimsy, so don't go crazy. Now, first step was drill these two holes out here and these two holes out here. This is actually the tab that holds the glass in from the factory. So obviously take the glass out and then drill these two holes, set that in. Drop it down and you'll be able to see where the window hangs to. Now, big shout out to Anthony at Wireware. He helped me out with the angle to put the quick latch to. This is the hardest part of the whole thing, I would say, is finding out the right angle that you want the window to sit at. How I did it was, drop you guys down again. Like I said, put those holes in, pause, and then this will drop down and you can kind of see where you need to be. You can line up your gap, use some tape, kind of hold it down, and that will sit like that. So I drilled straight through and then drilled the hole for the quick latch, and obviously sat just like that. No crazy math, no inches, no nothing. I'm not super good with that. So I just drilled and hoped for the best. And then after that, I came through and did this. So this is obviously the OEM latch as well. You take the cover off and you have this hardware. So this bolt you're gonna have to drill, and this bolt you're gonna have to drill. And those are obviously these two plugs on the outside here. So that holds that through. This is a little threaded hole. This 10 mil goes through and that pulls the window into it. This one has a threaded barb on it, and then you put the nut pause on that side there. So tighten that up. You don't need the outside at all for any reason, unless you just wanted it to, you know, look like factory inside of it. But then all you got to do is quick latch, center, and there you go. I didn't mold this with any heat. I didn't have this sit on the OEM glass on a bucket in the sun. I mean, that would work, but you really didn't have to mold it at all. As you can see, the quick latch and the center latch holds it pretty snug. This is Y&S Lexan's product, straight out of the box, plastic off, painted borders, drilled out, mounted on the car. No crazy molding, like I said, just took the shape right as it needed to. Gaps obviously you're gonna have just because it's not OEM, but for a Lexan product, this is as close as you're gonna get. Y&S Lexan, thank you again. I couldn't find anything wrong with this product if I tried to. So super big shout out to them. Loving this little burn they have in their product now too. That's pretty cool. But again, Chris Moo, just kind of showing you guys how I got that to open if you use your car as much as I do. I mean, as you see, I have the slicks in the rear of the car right now. So I couldn't rivet that off. There's too much space in here to use, and you know how that goes. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope this helps you guys out. Peace.